Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying Face ID and payment readiness. Open Settings and confirm Face ID recognizes you and that App Store purchases are enabled. Once done, check your Apple ID payment method. Add or update a card in wallet or account settings so purchases can complete without interruption. Make sure your device is on the latest iOS minor update and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. These essentials let you move straight into making purchases with Face ID instead of typing passwords. You tap Buy or Get on the App Store and immediately see the price or an app item. Instead of entering a password, prepare to authenticate with Face ID. Once the prompt appears, double-click the side button to trigger Face ID. Hold the iPhone at a natural distance and angle so the sensors can match your face. If the animation completes and shows a check mark, the purchase proceeds. If it stalls, cancel and retry, while paying attention to lighting and obstructions, like masks or glasses. You finish by confirming the app downloads and watching for a receipt sent to your Apple ID email. Tap Open when ready. If Face ID fails, immediately use your device passcode to complete the purchase, then re-enroll Face ID. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, reset and scan your face again. Make sure App Store is enabled under Face ID settings. If problems persist, reboot the device and try in a well-lit area. This single troubleshooting step resolves most recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.